हेजेर आमी तेका इनवॉइस बीन आसल्यार मागतले. इफ इनवॉइस इज नॉट देयर, एंटायर लायबिलिटी विल बी पुट ऑन हिम एंड फायन विल बी इम्पोज ऑन हिम.
फायन कितली अशी आसता?
इट विल बी इम्पोज बाय द कंट्रोलर.
किती विकताना तुमकां हे मेळ्ळा? किती आयटम्स?
आयटम्स एक चॉपर आसा आणि एक मसाजर आसा. 2 टायपाचे चॉपर आसा आणि मसाजर आसा. तेजेर मॅन्डेटरी डिक्लेरेशन काय ना. मॅन्डेटरी डिक्लेरेशन इन द सेन्स नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ मॅन्युफॅक्चरर ना, पॅकर ना आणि इम्पोर्टर ना. इफ इट इज इम्पोर्टेड गुड्स, नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ इम्पोर्टर आसपाक जाय. सेकंड, मंथ एंड इयर ऑफ मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग ऑर पॅकिंग ना. आणि इन केस ऑफ इम्पोर्टेड गुड, मंथ एंड इयर ऑफ इम्पोर्ट ना. आणि कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजीन ना, खंयच्या कंट्रीच्यान येयला ते. कित्याक विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इम्पोर्टेड गुड, कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजीन इज अ मस्ट. आणि प्लस हेजेर MRP ना. आणि मेन इम्पॉर्टंट, मसाजर यूज केलो, फाल्यां तुका शॉक मारलो, कितें जालो, तू कंज्युमर कोर्टान गेलो, कस्टमर केअर एड्रेस ना तेजेर.
तुमकां कंप्लेंट आयली काय तुमी आयला?
बेस्ड ऑन गोवा कॅन this we had visited.
So you have visited all the stalls?
Yeah.
There's nothing is there?
No, we have told them whatever requirement is there. Suppose if they are using the weighing machine, verification certificate to be exhibited, and if they are packing, their packer registration certificate should be exhibited. So if a consumer buy, they should see that they are getting whatever they are paying. Means ensure zero before delivery. Like if you are weighing a weighing scale, it should show zero. And it is certificate, weighing scale मारला म्हणून ते certificate exhibit करपाक जाय.
No, see what has happened. Now this exhibition is going on for many days. So we had received this thing that some people who are sitting here in this exhibition are not self-help groups. So I was in Vasco. I came here specially. When I came, I found this fellow we have caught in the past, selling massagers and all that, chopping and all that. Then I went around. So there are 2 issues here. One is that this Saras exhibition exactly should have been and should be, and it is, to promote self-help groups. Very good. That is fantastic. What we are concerned at how in the entrance of this exhibition, these fake people have managed to sit here. And, the worst part is when people see these fake people, they get a wrong impression that there is something going on fishy here. So after I verified that these items are the same, fake only, I filed a complaint with legal Metrology and got them to come and seize the goods.